What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing the new Fantasy Foot crafting upgrade SBC and a few player picks. Let's get into it. First up, Spain, left mid, Real Sociedad. That's going to be Oyarzabal, if I'm not mistaken. Yes it is. Oh, trash opening. Okay. Netherlands, attacking midfielder. Ajax. Who's this? Berghus, maybe? Yeah, okay. Well, this pack's gonna be very bad as well, then. Yep. Okay. Pack number 3. Spain. Goalkeeper. Real Sociedad again. Okay, it's Ramiro. It's an 84. We take it. It's not too bad at all. What else? Trash. Okay. Spain, centre back. Al Nassr, okay, it's Laporte, it's an 85. That's not too shabby. The 77 times 3 packs aren't going to be great, that's not bad. Okay, Portugal, right mid. Al Nassr again. Otavio? Yeah. Okay. 82, not too bad from 77 plus. Okay. Italy, CDM, Juve. Okay, so that'll probably be, what, Locatelli? Yes. An 82. It's average again. All dupes. Germany, goalkeeper, Wolfsburg. Female, right? Fromms. 85 rated, okay, not too shabby. Okay. Spain, left back. Oh, it's Jordi Alba. Inter Miami, Jordi Alba. What player he was. Not bad pack. Okay. France, CDM. Kante. Okay. Yeah, bringing out the juice. First walkout of the day. Not too bad. Okay. Argentina, CDM, Real Betis. It's going to be Rodriguez. Yes. Okay. It's not awful. Brazil, center forward, Al Nassr. Oh, Talisca, right? Talisca, yeah. Okay. Halfway through. England, right back. Newcastle, okay. Would have been better if it was Liverpool. We take Newcastle. Trent would be nicer, but we get Trippier instead. Okay. Senegal striker. Oh, it's gonna be Dyer. Dyer? How do you say his name? Gia? I don't know. It's him. Okay. Nigeria. Right wing. Oh, Chukwueze, right? Yeah. Not bad at AFCON. Not a great card in the game. England, centre back, Tyrone Mings. Oh wait, no, it's Konsa. Oh my own. Mings is non-rare. Okay. Terrible pack. Spain, Cam, Brahim Diaz. Alright. Again, pretty bad card. I think he'll get a good upgrade next year though. Okay. England, striker, Arsenal. Is that a woman? Or it could be Nketiah, I guess. Russo. I think Nketiah's a non-rare gold actually. Okay. Sweden, centre back. Bayern. Oh, it's female, isn't it? It's Ericsson or something. Yeah, there we go. That was not great. I mean, it's an 83, it's not trash. Germany, Cam, Bayern. This can only be good. It's 84 plus. Okay, unfortunately, it is the 84. It's Thomas Muller. It's alright though. Okay, last 77 times 3. Morocco, right back. Mazraoui. Okay. We get an 82. It's not going to be a great pack to follow this, I guess. Let's see. Not really. Okay, let's do these two, and then we'll do some 83 times 10s and then a player pick. Netherlands CDM from Ajax. Spitzer. Interesting. Not too bad from one of these, actually. Okay, the rest of the pack is god awful, though. 83 times 2. Okay, that's an 84. Probably just skip this, but we'll see. No, it's an 83, and we get Lloris. Okay. My bad. Bad ball knowledge. Okay, let's do some 83 times 10s. Let's just pick one. Let's do this one. Okay. Germany. Oh, this can't be good, right? Right back. Freiburg? They didn't make another Gunter, did they? Oh, they did not. Carl. It's not. It's a good all-round card, actually, that. What else? Okay, the rest of the pack is awful. Just duplicates. Okay. Alright, second one. Please, be another one. Okay. There isn't. Spain, centre mid. It's Parejo. Is it a double? I'm not sure. It is indeed. Come on. We get Alexander Arnold. We get Trent. Okay. It's not awful. And a team of the week. You know what? That makes up for it. Team of the weeks are always going to be useful. Especially at this time of year. Okay, and I'll end the video with this player pick. I've seen it be really bad. So I'm not really sure why I'm doing it. But it's for the content. Come on. Show me the juice, EA. Bring it out. Bring out the juice. Here we go. EA did not bring out the juice, ladies and gentlemen. What is this? It's probably as bad as it pretty much could have been. I would have taken Risa, but he's already owned. I guess Carvalho is probably the best shout here. But this is absolutely awful. Do not do this player pick. Actually, just don't do it. Okay, I'll take Carvalho. That will do it for this video. If you have enjoyed, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.